Connected devices are massively deployed by organizations, but managing IoT at scale has become a significant liability. These devices include only a basic level of security, making each one a potential entry point to the organization's network, assets, and data. At the same time, the ongoing maintenance of IoT devices is mostly performed manually, with a limited visibility of data. SecuriThings solves these challenges with the first IoTOps solution, Horizon, a software-only solution that brings IT standards to IoT devices and provides risk detection, predictive maintenance, and automated operations. With a seamless deployment, Horizon retrieves and analyzes real-time data from the edge. Using advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities, it detects any abnormality on the device level and prioritizes the alerts. Organizations can automate their cybersecurity and maintenance policies. Already deployed across large organizations, Horizon monitors millions of devices, providing edge visibility and control from day one. Protect your IoT devices while maximizing your operational efficiency. Horizon by SecuriThings.